Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how I was able to make money from my YouTube channel before even being monetized. As you can see, my channel now is below 4,000 watch hours, so this channel is not monetized. How I was able to make money from this YouTube channel is because I started promoting affiliate offers. And by affiliate offers, I mean just Hostinger, or if you know, Hostinger is our web hosting provider. This is the affiliate dashboard of Hostinger. Let's check it. Let's go to the reports or the conversion report. Let's check the conversions of last month. As you can see, I got 5 conversions with a payout of $340. And these are the details of these conversions. The best thing about this is that I got these conversions and more, even though I stopped promoting Hostinger. So these results are totally passive income. Let's check the last time I promoted Hostinger. To do that, I will search for Hostinger or for videos that have Hostinger word in the title. The last video was just a tutorial titled how to add alternative text to product photos in Hostinger website builder. So this video is just informational. Same thing with this video here. I was explaining how to connect Hostinger domain to Infinity Free, which is a free web hosting. These 2 videos are also informational videos because I was not mentioning my affiliate link here. Same thing here, no affiliate link, but this video uploaded on August 16th. Here I was, or the last time I promoted Hostinger was on this video. It was titled how to create a sales page. Let's check how many days from August 16th to today. It was 2 months and 3 weeks. Now let's check the conversions I got after my last 16th of August to today 6 November. Yes, 6 November. Apply. As you can see, I got 8 conversions with a payout of $430, totally passive or almost passive. Let's just keep it at almost passive. I got 3 conversions in the month of September and 5 conversions in the month of October. And this is how I was able to make some money before monetizing my channel. My 2 recommendations for you is to only recommend something that you truly believe in, something of quality, and something that will be beneficial to your YouTube viewers in order to keep your trust with your viewers. This is the first video of this kind where I talk about YouTube or making money from YouTube. So if you have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep receiving videos like this. Thank you again and see you in the next video.